me I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.
Hey my lovies, I hope you are good. This is Mrs. Mbenge, uSoyama Mbenge. Umakoti wasicala ekhaya kuseMount Fletcher, kwaMgudzi Ifani. I have decided to open a YouTube channel, guys, so that you can be in my life, so that I can share my life with you guys. As a working mom, as a working wife, so ndizawushare ubomi bam nani, guys. So I hope you enjoy my channel, you enjoy my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, please like and comment, please ask izinto ofuna uzazi okanye ufuna uzibuza. So I will plug you guys with izinto ezininzi endizawudibana nazo sanibalisela. So yeah, so on this vlog yokuqala kwenzeka ntoni, it's January 2026. On the 30th I was giving birth to my princess uKamvelihle. So I was on my way with my husband to a medic clinic in Milnerton. So we live in Brackenfell, but igayina yam sis-specialist is in Rondebosch and Milnerton. So I usually go to Rondebosch, but then he suggested, the doctor Thabo Dingiswayo, he suggested that I can go to Milnerton and check it out uba injani, because on 2022 when I was giving birth to Isemihle, I was in Rondebosch Medical Center. It was okay, it was not that like it was not giving, yeah, but it was okay, yeah, but for me. So he suggested that I should try out Mediclinic in Milnerton. So okay, I said okay, let me go there. So saya ke sayobona, it was one of a prenatal. So saya sayobona, and then we were happy with Ilandos, we were happy with the Mediclinic. So we decided to I will give birth there. So now I thought since around the person before delivery, it will be the same thing with Mediclinic, but it was not the same thing. So saya exam on the 30th exam, they said I must be there at 7 o'clock. Imagine, guys, the anxiety I had, because ingqondo yami akhange ifumane i-chance yoba mayihlise nerves, ubone, because yonke le nto yenzeka on the same day, yabo, and exam ndivuka nje ingqondo yami ithi ndiyokwenza le nto, yabo. So we had to wake up around 5 o'clock ndandihamba apha endlini to iMediclinic eMilnerton sahamba. So in this vlog nizawubona andithi nakakhulu ke, guys, because I had mixed emotions on that day. I was happy, excited bandizodibana no baby, but also I was scared because many things zingenzeka kwi-6 section, because ziyenzeka izinto, you never know. So I had mixed emotions, but ke uThixo ke usoloko nathi ngamaxesha onke. So yeah, so when you are watching this vlog, it's 4 months after a delivery, which means ndingumdlezana and also ndikwi-maternity leave, yabo, andikho semsebenzini. So I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. Please comment, please like videos zam. I hope niza enjoy le vlog. I'm happy to share this journey with you guys. Yeah, I cannot wait kubana ndi-interact nayo. Safika ke, guys, Milnerton. The time was around about 6:30, kufika kwi-2. So I was so over, guys, i-pregnancy mna, like ndizedenelwe nangoku ndihamba yapha, you can tell mandidiniwe. So my husband was the content creator. He was the one ke owayenimele uba let's do videos mna, and engekho nasengqondweni yam loo nto. So yeah ke guys, nizawubona apha nguye othethayo apha.
Imagine it, I will be unhappy. Light up, this is light. There's a shower. I don't want to get inside. Yeah?
Okay.
So you can lock this. This is the outside.
It is.
Yo, on this moment, okay, guys, I had mixed emotions. I knew about lifikile ixesha, and I was grateful to God by ifikile me because the pregnancy in but then still I was praying that yonke into ihambe kakuhle etheatre. So apha kule bhedi ndilibuyele etheatre. guys, I had to call a physio to massage amabele wam because ayegcwele ebuhlungu ingaphumi kakuhle, so I had to call her to come and massage amabele wam. Finally, it's Monday. We are going home. Siyaphuma Mediclinic sisemotweni. Bye. Hey my lovies, namhlanje 28 March ndisendleleni ndisoka eTiger Valley. I'm busy preparing for a surprise birthday sikalisa umakoti kabhuti wam omdala. So apha ndisendleleni ndisoka eTiger Valley. I'm busy ndithenga izinto zakhe for the surprise birthday. Ndihamba no-Isemihle. I got a gift zikalisa from us. Esizamnika zona for ibirthday yakhe, which is tomorrow. Izoba yiloo nto ke imnandi guys, intle. Ndidiniwe kodwa andifuna uxoka, ndidiniwe because it's not easy to organize into uwedwa. But at least I have the support of my husband. So aba ndiseGiant ndizochola nalapho eGiant useCape Gate guys, ucheap. Ndaphuma eCape Gate ndaya eCheckers apha Brackenfell. Apha ku-Sunday morning finally ndisendleleni ndihamba. Umyeni wam uyancedisa apha, siyaphuma nefriend yam siya eSomerset for ibirthday kalisa. So siyapakisha apha izinto. It's a mess sana kumdaka because of ibirthday. Safika eSomerset, kufikeni kwethu safika sancedisa kule ntombazana yenza ideko. Kumnandi ke guys apha. It's a nice place. You book it for imini yonke. Ineendawo zodlala, there's a pool, ine-venues different, nemali yazo different. It's Aldebury Resort in Somerset. Naba bazali shem bamane besenidrink, basalindile kusebhizi. Balindile usingayi akakafiki. Sisamane sithi makaletyaziswe ngumyeni kwenzela uba afike sekugqityiwe yonke into seyintle. My brothers ke guys they are busy balungiselela ukoja apha, balungisa istand. Balungisa istand for ukoja. Nantsi inyama yaseFairfield ke guys, number 1 enyameni. Inyama yaseFairfield imnandi. Finally wafika ke ulisa. Ulisa ke ufika ekhathiwe ukubana uze kwi-proposal ye-girlfriend ka-brother wam. So uyaproposwa, so uyafika ke. Ekufikeni kwakhe akayazi ukubana i-surprise birthday yakhe. Siyavela phaa siyamculela
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
Senza ushares ke guys, uLisa nomyeni wakhe, uLisa noSisanda our cousin, usibetha uShezi, uLisa noMrs Mpenge. Senza ushares phasi yancokola kumnandi kulonto. uLisa noMrs Mpenge betha ushares. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.